the 26th episode of Fridaypoems. We are happy that so many poets have been participating in our program and many more are joining in. And I have also requested many to join the program. I asked them to send their poems and videos to me. I'll be sending emails or messenger messages to them. In the 26th episode, we are bringing you a new poet, Feby Joseph. Feby Joseph is from Kerala and he is currently working as a piano teacher in Mumbai. He is the winner of Rural International Prize Poetry in 2020 and some of his works have appeared in Cafe de Census, Foreign Literary Journal and the Bangalore Review. He is reading two poems today, Chanson Nostalgic and Two Mirrors, part 1. So over to Feby Joseph to read his poems.
Good evening, everyone. This is Feby Joseph, and I'm very honored that Mr. Ravi Shankar has given me this opportunity to read two of my poems for you this evening. The first poem is Chanson Nostalgique. Does the scent of fresh basil take you back to penne pesto and that little Italian place outside our stage, La Bella something? Of course, you always mispronounced it presto. The piano teacher in you often forgot Mumbai and you became Italian. Presto, mezzoforte, cantabile, più mosso. Does the sight of an orange take you back to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Variations and John Thompson for beginners? Remember how you curled my palms over an orange under the canopy of your calloused palms and taught me how to curve my fingers properly over a slightly out of tune Steinway? Does the sound of waves take you back to the first time I surprised you with a kiss as you played Chopin from Schumann's Carnival? Only the sea remembered what we forgot. Everything but Schumann. Till you woke up to bring in the waves. Time, season, age, teacher, student, forgotten cities, delayed trains, and 1,000 reasons for silence. Do you remember all the trains I missed trying to cram a few more minutes into a 45-minute class? Can I still catch the 8:30 express at 8:45? Second poem is called Two Mirrors. I never knew what he was looking for. Each morning, a steel glass of smoking black coffee, he would scan the newspaper. Like my mom and her winnowing basket, separating wheat and stones, my father would peruse the newspaper. Every day it was the same. The obituaries were his favorite section. Sometimes he would recognize someone and go into a world of reminiscence, pain, and a little shock. It was strange how the distant and imaginary shocked him more than reality. The morning he went to church to get the grave ready for his brother. When they opened it, he saw his father's bones. It was strange for me to think of my grandfather as a pile of bones rather than a name in marble. Yet for my father, it was a source of wonder. 25 years and his bones are still intact. He used to say, my grandmother stayed strong till 99 and only gave into the bed the year after that, when all her prayers had started to crumble mid sentence. My father, though, got his wish. His colleagues would tell me, your Baba got the good death. One night, he fell back onto his bed and was gone. I never went to the grave the morning before his burial. I still wasn't ready to meet my grandfather's bones or my uncle's. I kept their name fresh. I remember my father's name, fresh, bold in grey marble. Unlike all my forgotten lovers, I never buried them, just forgot. Except one, I buried somewhere in Silvassa. That name still sets my heart on fire. That's only because I opened that grave often to look at the bones. Thank you.